Everybody, I'm Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. I'm a housing consultant here in Topeka, Indiana for Champion Homes. And this baby today is a 28 by 56. This home is very near and dear to my heart. This is going to be an investment property for my very good friend Janine. We've been working together for years. And this is going to go on a 2-acre plot with a big red barn that sits back in the distance. And I love her so much because she just said, design me a home that I can sell and make some money off of, that somebody's gonna love. And this is what we came up with. We call this home the Ogden. So I went with the classic Flint on the outside, wine shutters. And for an exterior decoration, I added this dormer, which is gonna include the shake siding. I did change up to a Craftsman door, so we're going to have some windows in the top. And the electrical receptacle comes standard. The frost-free faucet comes standard. But you want to be able to pop some things out with color, right? And that's exactly what I did here. I popped out the white in the windows with this white shake right here. And I knew the barn was going to be back there, so I wanted to have something from the red family also associated with the home, and that's what happened. Now, I didn't want to cut all the way into this. Janine was here this morning, so we decided together that we were not going to cut into bedroom 2 or 3. So this is bedroom 2. This is bedroom 3. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath. But we're going to take a look at all of the rest of the house. And on the back side here, we added a sliding patio door. We also offer an atrium door, but we wanted to get the maximum view out of the door. And the atrium door has like a solid trim that goes around the door. So that just wasn't going to work for us. So patio door is going to give you the most view because you have the most glass in that door. On the back, we did add an extra electrical receptacle. And by the way, you can always tell, here's another little hint, you can always tell where the kitchen window is because you're always going to have a 30 by 36, kitchen window. Kitchen sink is always going to be right there underneath that 30-36 window. Now, sometimes you'll see a window like that hanging out in a bathroom, but that's few and far between. So it's a good indication. If you see a 30-36 on the back side of a home, you've got a kitchen right there. Yeah, you've got a kitchen sink right there. If you don't see one, it's a good indication you've got a sink in an island. Just these little tips and tricks I try to give you guys. All right, coming into the front door, we've got a nice foyer area. We've got Harbor Light on the floor. And I wanted to talk about this because this is our standard carpet. And it's so pretty. This is called Havana as the color. It's got a little bit of browns in it, but on the lighter side, and I just think it goes with everything because as I'm standing here, and it's very soft on your feet, as I'm standing here and I look at this mat that we've thrown in here just to kind of protect the floors, this is an upgraded carpet and this is the standard carpet. So I don't know. I'm in love with the standard carpet this year. I just think it's great. First thing we're going to notice is drywall. If you guys can swing the drywall, please, please, please do it. Check out my video on how these homes are made. And you will see that I did a tour of the drywall plant. And so lots of good stuff happening when you get drywall. In the drywall package, we're going to have a white wrapped profile trim. That's a nice molded trim you're going to see around the doors and windows. And I explain these things over and over because I'm constantly having some new people watching and they don't know what some of you people know that have been here a while. So if you hear me repeating myself, it's just because we want everybody to be educated. Now, I knew I wanted to accent an entertainment wall because let's face it, we are a culture that loves to be entertained. And in most cases, we're going to have a flat screen or 2 or 5 in our house. So I knew that this was the wall of the living room to make that happen. So that's what we're going to see. I highlighted this wall with 3 can lights. Also part of the drywall package is a 10-pack of can lights, and you choose where they go. So that's where I put those. This home is going up to Michigan. We are in the Midwest. We know, I'm going to tell you, we got to have a coat closet if you're in the Midwest. Even if you're not, maybe hang up your shorts or your bathing suits. I don't know. I don't know how it goes down south, but around here, we got coat closets. This is the primary bedroom. Not a whole lot to talk about in here except for, what's that? Perimeter heat. And then this is going to go into the master bath. Now, heading down this hallway is going to be bedroom 2 and bedroom 3. And you're just going to have a bedroom with a closet in it. That's what we're going to see over there. Let's go check out the other half. Okay, so we were just in the living room, and that living room is going to be wide open right here. And I haven't shown a truly gray home yet this year, but this is what I designed. I wanted to have a nice modern look because this was an investment property, and most times, 7 out of 10 times, people are gonna want to do whites or grays. So I knew I had a pretty good shot if I stuck with that palette of making this a profitable investment to be turned. So I went with the Ozark Shadow Cabinets, Roca Bosca on the countertop. Oh, I just love this. I love this van right here with the brown in it. So pretty. And then I would have never guessed this combination. This is called Inhale Grease. Not like lard, but I imagine like Italian, right? Or like the country. But Inhale Grease. We also do an Exhale Grease, which is gray as well, but this has a little bit of turquoise in it and matches very well with this countertop. Now I'm standing in a home called the Ogden, and the Ogden offers a summit kitchen. We do that in many of our floor plans, and the summit kitchen is special because in the summit kitchen, the island is included. Also, we're gonna have drawers over doors. Those are included. A mobile home mama fave. 2 pot and pan drawers. Now you can put these anywhere. They're 2 for $109, and they're nice deep drawers, so something to think about there. But in the summit kitchen, you're always gonna find a microwave tower. A lot of people wanna be able to tuck that microwave away somewhere, but here's the kicker. They usually put it above this range, right? But not if you want this European stainless steel hood. And it looks like it's white, but that's a sticker. So if you want the hood, you'd be questioning yourself, where am I gonna put that microwave? And so in our design, we designed with a microwave tower. There, that's how we do it here. Now, only certain floor plans will let you have the summit kitchen, and the Ogden is one of them. Very pretty, very nice, super impressed with this build. Also part of the summit kitchen is gonna be a walk-in pantry. Everybody loves a pantry. Plenty of storage in there. What am I missing? In the drywall package, you're also gonna have 1 row of ceramic tile all the way through the home, and that's what you're seeing here. So basically, when you do that drywall package, it's got all the cosmetic things. The only thing you're gonna have to think about adjusting is appliances, maybe adding some gas to some things. But other than that, pretty much everything is in that package. If you're looking for the best bang for your buck, the drywall package is it. Here's bath number 2. Also in the package are the 2-arm vanity lights that are gonna hang over that mirror. In this home, we have an extended island, standard tub shower combination. I put a can light over the shower. Heading back to the laundry area, this is always a favorite of this home. We used to call this home the Summit Series, and then we just kind of took the best parts of the Summit Series and made them available in many different floor plans. In this home, you can add a utility sink. Washer dryer cabinets are part of the drywall package, but this is specific to this home. We call it a crafting center, but imagine the things you could do back here, right? It's like a folding table. If you're a crafter, you can make crafts back here. My customer today told me that she would wrap gifts back here. It's a perfect place for that. And then you have a spot underneath for, I could put an electrical outlet under there. It could be a wine cooler. It could be a place, for crates for animals. So Lots of different things, and those are the things we want to think of when we're designing and building the home. Now let's go check out the primary bath. Right, now we're going to jump into what we call a radiant spa. You're going to have a couple of windows there and showcasing this bench. Now you could also put a freestanding tub. We've seen that in some of my other videos. That can be a part of this shower, or a part of this bathroom, excuse me. 2 different prices for it. This is the lesser amount. So if you need to have a seat, remove your clothes, whatever you need to do, you've got a bench right here, and that's a great addition. I love how these columns come out from the wall and just gives it more character, you know, different textures, different elevations, different styles like that can really make a home pop out. Semi-private commode. I also put a can light over that. Can light over the shower. Double vanity. Bank of drawers in between. And then these modern square sinks that curve down like this. So, so pretty. Hey, everybody. And then again, the 2-arm vanity lights, also trimmed out mirrors. And I was very impressed with the way the color of those mirrors kind of roll in with everything. Just, this home just really came together. Here is the radiant shower, 4-foot by 5-foot shower with an agile surround. We've seen that in the agile shower before. This is the largest version you can get it in. And behind the door, we're gonna have a bank of cubbies where you're going to be able to put your robes. I always imagine filling these cubbies with totes also. And then here's your walk-in closet, complete with an 075 closet organizer. And plenty of storage space. Even a little spot right there for your long clothes. So there you have it, a 28 by 56 Ogden with a summit kitchen and a radiant spa. My name is Christina. I'm also the mobile home mama. Please give me a call, set up an appointment, come and take a visit, and I'll show you some really cool homes. Thanks for watching.